No batteries needed. MilliMobile Univ, of Washington's incredible light-powered robot. Researchers at the University of Washington introduced MilliMobile, an innovative tiny robot. Remarkably, MilliMobile is powered solely by surrounding light or radio waves. Comparable in size to a penny, this robot can function indefinitely, leveraging harvested energy. Unlike typical robots, MilliMobile forgoes batteries, adopting a green energy approach. It boasts a solar panel-like energy harvester and can traverse up to 30 feet in an hour. Impressively, MilliMobile can carry equipment like cameras and sensors, weighing 3 times its own weight. Potential applications range from smart farms, tracking humidity, to factories identifying equipment malfunctions. Carl Johnson from the UW mentions the inspiration from intermittent computing, allowing the robot to function incrementally. Despite its size, MilliMobile can navigate on its own using sensors and small computing chips. Tests proved the robot's ability to operate both indoors and in low-light environments. Of course, there is speculation about whether this technology can be used for miniature drones. The underlying technology may have various military technology applications. MilliMobile stands as a testament to how robotics can be miniaturized, yet effective. Are automated, self-charging drones that look or disguised as pigeons in the near future? Perhaps. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.